Do you want to make extra money in 2025 but don't have any cash to get started? The good news is, you don't need a single dollar. Today, I'll show you 7 side hustles you can start completely free, using just your phone or laptop. Stick around until the end, because side hustle number 7 is one of the fastest and easiest ways to make money online. Welcome to Money Map, your ultimate guide to navigating the online income world. Now, let's dive in. First up, reselling or flipping items. This is one of the fastest ways to get started because you already have the inventory. Look around your house for unused items, old clothes, phones, gadgets, or even books, and list them for free on marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace, eBay, or Poshmark. Someone out there is willing to pay for things you no longer use. Once you make your first sale, reinvest that money into flipping undervalued items from thrift stores or clearance racks. I've seen people turn $0 into $500 a month just by doing this consistently. Number 2, print on demand. With this, you don't need to keep stock or handle shipping. Simply create basic designs using free tools like Canva, upload them to platforms such as Redbubble or Teespring, and they'll print and ship the products for you. Every time someone buys, you earn a cut of the profit. You can create simple text-based designs or use trending memes and quotes. The cool thing about print on demand is that once your designs are uploaded, they can keep earning passively in the background. Third, content creation. Short-form platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels are booming in 2025, and they love new creators. The best part? You don't even need to show your face. You can use free stock footage, screen recordings, or AI-generated voiceovers to make faceless content. Start by posting consistently about one topic, then monetize through affiliate links, sponsorships, or even ad revenue once you build traction. Thousands of creators have proven you can start with $0 and grow into a full-time income. Before I share number 4, quick reminder, if you're serious about making money online in 2025, hit that like button and subscribe to Money Map, because I share proven side hustle ideas every single week. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming. Number 4, online tutoring or coaching. If you're good at something, whether it's math, coding, speaking English, or even fitness, you can start teaching it online. Platforms like Preply and Cambly let you register for free and get matched with students who want to learn. You can also set up your own Zoom or Google Meet sessions and advertise on social media groups. The best part is you don't need to be a certified teacher for many of these platforms, just someone who's confident in explaining what you already know. 5th, affiliate marketing. This is one of the most popular online side hustles, and for good reason. You recommend a product or service, share your affiliate link, and earn a commission for every sale. Amazon Associates is a great place to start, but you can also use platforms like ClickBank or sign up directly with software companies like Shopify or Hostinger. To get traffic, you can post product reviews on TikTok, make tutorials on YouTube, or write simple blog posts. It costs nothing to join, and with the right products, affiliate marketing can scale into serious income. Number 6, selling digital products. This is where you create something once and sell it over and over again. Think ebooks, templates, checklists, Notion dashboards, or even guides. You can create them using free tools like Canva or Google Docs, then sell on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Payhip. Digital products have almost no overhead costs, and because they're delivered instantly, customers love them. For example, a simple budgeting template could sell for $10, and if 100 people buy it, that's $1,000 from something you made once. And finally, number 7, freelance microjobs. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and new AI-powered freelance marketplaces like 4Hop and Awesomic let you sign up for free and start offering services right away. You don't need to be an expert either. Many gigs are simple and quick, like writing short articles, editing captions, creating social media posts, or even generating logos with AI tools. The key is to start small, deliver great work, and then raise your rates as you build reviews. It's one of the most flexible ways to make money online, and you can get paid within days of landing your first client. So, there you have it, 7 side hustles in 2025 that you can start with absolutely $0. The opportunities are out there. You just need to pick one, stay consistent, and give it time to grow. Now, here's the question for you. Which of these hustles would you try first? Drop your answer in the comments below. I'll be replying to as many as possible. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Money Map, and turn on the bell so you don't miss future videos about making money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.